First of all, Rakshanda, congratulations for the new show. So, how excited are you for this one?
I think when you're starting a new journey, it's always very exciting because there's so much hope, there's so much that you're looking forward to. नया सेट, नए लोग, नए dialogues, नया look. There's a lot that you have to look forward to, and it's something I've never done before. I've never been part of a royal show. तो मेरे लिए तो actually first time है, so for me it's very exciting.
Nice. So, as we know, you already take up versatile characters. So, what was the reason that you took up this show?
Whenever I sign a show, I have only one question to the people who call me: why me and not someone else? And if they can answer that and they can prove to me, or rather explain to me why I would be one of the catalysts of the show that takes the story forward, I'm very happy to be part of that story.
Okay. And you have seen a long journey in this industry. So, how have you seen the change, and what do you like about the industry now?
Like I said, जो younger generation है, they're so clear about what they want and how they want to live. And what is nice is that things have got a lot more streamlined. पहले अगर हमको 24 घंटे 36 घंटे शूट करना होता था तो हम करते थे, but nowadays nobody does that, including the main leads, and I think that's a very good thing because eventually there is a life outside of the set also, and we need to have some level of personal life as well, जो शायद पहले actors इतनी आसानी से बैलेंस नहीं कर पाते थे. The younger generation doesn't let that fly. They know that they need a personal life and they make sure they get it.
Nice. And as you said that you're playing royal character for the first time, so any challenges that you faced?
Obviously, I'm not a royal myself. I've never been attached to royalty. तो fictionally सोचना पड़ता है कि अगर कोई बहुत बड़े अच्छे खानदान से होता तो वो कैसे बिहेव करते और वो ऐसे सिचुएशन में कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, how would they walk and how would they carry themselves. So maybe for a change, yeah, my modeling background will help a little bit because it kind of does help you to carry yourself a little nicely. तो इतने सालों बाद मेरी modeling practice काम में आ गई. And when it comes to how I deal with the character, I'm extremely blessed that we have a very good director. जो कभी भी कोई भी कैरेक्टर से थोड़ा भी अगर हिल जाते हैं तो वो इमीडिएटली रोक देते हैं कि नहीं, ये ऐसे नहीं कर सकते आप, ये आपके कैरेक्टर से मैच नहीं करता, तो लेट्स जस्ट डू इट अगेन, लेट्स ट्राई इट वंस मोर विद अ डिफरेंट टेक. A royal myself, I've never been attached to royalty. तो फिक्शनली सोचना पड़ता है कि अगर कोई बहुत बड़े अच्छे खानदान से होता तो वो कैसे बिहेव करते और वो ऐसे सिचुएशन में कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, हाउ वुड दे वॉक एंड हाउ वुड दे कैरी देमसेल्व्स. तो मे बी फॉर अ चेंज, या माई मॉडलिंग बैकग्राउंड विल हेल्प अ लिटिल बिट बिकॉज इट काइंड ऑफ डज हेल्प यू टू कैरी योरसेल्फ अ लिटिल नाइसली. तो इतने सालों बाद मेरी मॉडलिंग प्रैक्टिस काम में आ गई. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू how I deal with the character, I'm extremely blessed that we have a very good director. जो कभी भी कोई भी कैरेक्टर से थोड़ा भी अगर हिल जाते हैं तो वो इमीडिएटली रोक देते हैं कि नहीं, ये ऐसे नहीं कर सकते आप, ये आपके कैरेक्टर से मैच नहीं करता, तो लेट्स जस्ट डू इट अगेन, लेट्स ट्राई इट वंस मोर विद अ डिफरेंट टेक.
Nice. And how is Jayama so important in this family? What is her role?
She's the backbone of the entire Rathod family. She's the one who basically makes all the decisions. She is someone who's always stood by Devraj to make sure that everything in the family works out in his favor and that people are never opposing what he does. At the end of the day, she also never opposes what Devraj wants to do, but she's always there to guide him and give him the right advice. And therefore, I think she becomes very important because eventually what she says is the last word. No one can overrule what she says. And so she's a very important character.
Nice. And as we know now, Jayama is very sweet, but in future, will it turn a negative character?
ये एक लेडी है यहाँ पे, जिनका नाम है मृणाल झा, वो कहानी लिख रही हैं. आप उनसे पूछिए कि क्या वो ऐसा करना चाहेंगी. अगर करना चाहेंगी तो उनसे कहिए प्लीज़ कॉन्टैक्ट रक्षंदा खान, उन्हें भी बताइए.
And how was your working experience with your co-stars Anjali, Abhinesh?
So Anjali and Avinash are people I haven't worked with before. In fact, no one on the set, other than the director, have I worked with before. All the actors are brand new for me as an actor. and they all come with different energies, and it's great because it's such a wonderful experience to see such different kinds of people all together, but together they make a great team.
Amazing. We look forward to see you. Any final message you have for the fans?
Watch the show. It's a show that does come with something different in store. It's not your normal regular run of the mill show, although I'm sure every time someone does a new show they say that. वाकई इन्होंने कुछ अलग करने की कोशिश की है, तो आप ज़रूर देखिए, आप enjoy करेंगे तेरे में।
Thank you so much, Rakshita. Good luck for the show.